Get ready for shorthand English, all grammalogs and phrases dictation, dictated by Surya Manogar. Start. A and the, all, to, of, to, on, but, author, who, and, should, put, be, to be, it, had, do, different, difference, much, which, how, why, beyond, you, large, can, come, go, give, given, for, have, thank, thanked, think, though, them, was, whose, shall, wish, with, when, what, would, who, he, I thank you, I think you should be, I have thee, I have heard, I saw thee, I see, I am, I may be, I will be, you should be, you can, you will be, you may be, you were, if you were, they were, how can they, why do you, why have you, with you, so much, with which, with each, when they, what do you, what was, what can be, it would be, it should be, it will be, it was, which were, he should be, he will be, if he were, too much, usual, usually, as, has, is, his, because, itself, those, thyself, this, thus, me, him, myself, himself, special, specially, speak, subject, subjected, several, as we have, as we can, as well as, in this city, this is, as is, as has, is as, is his, in, any, own, your, year, or, our, ourselves, themselves, first, influence, influenced, next, most, language, owing, thing, young, lord, we, principle, principal, principally, liberty, member, remember, remembered, number, numbered, truth, doctor, dear, during, chair, cheer, larger, care, people, believe, believe, believed, tell, till, deliver, delivered, delivery, largely, call, equal, equally, over, however, valuation, from, very, there, more, remark, remarked, mere, Mr., nor, near, surprise, surprised, sure, pleasure, they are, I have been, I had been, better than, carried on, their own, our own, which have, out of, been, general, generally, within, southern, northern, behalf, advantage, difficult, balance, circumstance, deliverance, signify, signified, significant, significance, opinion, subjective, subjection, signification, information, satisfaction, justification, generalization, dear sir, yours truly, every circumstance, all circumstances, you will remember, I believe, I will tell you, I am surprised, by all means, at all cost, in our opinion, everything, something, anything, nothing, as is as, this is, last year, at first, just now, whether, impossible, important, importance, improve, improved, improvement, quiet, good, accord, according, cared, guard, great, called, equaled, cold, gold, that, without, wished, cannot, gentleman, particular, opportunity, child, build, building, told, tried, trade, toward, towards, hand, under, in there, I know there is, take their way, I can be there, has to be there, upon there, if it is, I am not, you may not, this word, we would be, at all times, able to make, chaired, cheered, sent, third, short, sprit, yard, word, rather, writer, wonderful, wonderfully, therefore, school, schooled, selfish, selfishness, inscribe, inscribed, inscription, instruction, instructive, hearing, hereon, hereat, hereto, hereof, herewith, therein, thereon, thereat, thereto, thereof, therewith, wherein, whereon, whereat, whereto, whereof, wherewith. You will be able to, we are able to, at the same time, at some time, for some time, this was, that was, according to the, stop.